The cheese is in there doing its thing. See that? Oh, baby. So in here we have cheese, Alfredo sauce, what's it called? Spinach, the green onions that I previously fried. And then now I'm going to add these bad boys after they boiled. And so it's ready to serve. And I want them to soak up as much goodness as possible. And I'll take, as it soaks, put it on the serving plate, and we're good to eat. So in there we also have sweet potatoes, just so you can get a little bit of sweetness to it. The cheese is in there doing its thing. See that? Oh, baby. Yes. Or you know what? I could just put all of it all at once and swiggle it all around. Let's do that instead, so that every piece of it gets a little bit of goodness. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Last but not least, we got us some of the aubergine. And since there's enough cheese already, we don't need to add any more. And it's ready to eat. Nice and easy meal.
The band's outrageous behaviour offstage was horrifying parents, churches, and the authorities.